with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles and your macaroni from Hong Kong that tastes like seafood. This is Chewy. Quick serve macaroni, seafood flavor. Found that one at S-Mart as well. And as I like to remind you, shop smart, shop S-Mart. So here's our macaroni. Dropping it in. 4 minutes. And away we go. So, what's shaking? Yeah, I'm all out of chashu. That happened. And I'm trying to like fold space and time somehow. I want to go out walking. Although it's crappy outside. It's really not, I mean, it's not raining. It's just really humid and dark and kind of warm. It's like 70 and I want to say it's like 70% humidity. It's just sticky funk. I'm not a fan of sticky and funk. That's not simmering. Oh, that's simmering. Simmer down now. But yeah. I just got news today that there might be even more indictments coming for old Mr. Orange Pants. And then there's going to be possibly even more coming next week. It's just like, everybody loves me even though they're trying to get me, but they love me and I'm going to win and I'm going to win because when they're trying to get me, they're trying to get you. What a load of crap. What a weird way to try to like be popular. If they're coming after me, you know, they're gonna come after you. I don't know. I didn't screw around. I didn't. I was never present. I've never had any classified documents. I don't think. Maybe if I did, there was no malicious intent. No malicious intent. No, I've never had any classified documents. And as much as, I mean, I could tell all of you guys to go do something. All 22,000 of you on YouTube and elsewhere. But that's just not my thing. I'm just going to tell you to go eat noodles. Yeah. Sorry, chashu in my teeth. But yeah, I do want to go out walking. I think maybe once I'm done with these 4 reviews, I'll go do that. I'm going to have 2 hours while I'm flipping chashu later. It's 1 o'clock. She wants to take the kids out swimming, which will be a good time to do the, oh, I see. Yeah, to do the chashu. Then they'll come back and the house will be like violently warm and stinky. Because when you make chashu, when I do it at least, the recipe I got from Mr. Treadway, good guy, he gave me this recipe. And the first part of it is you take pork belly, roll it up, butcher twine it, put it in a pan that's coated in Crisco, and then you bake it at 450 freaking degrees for 30 minutes. Then I flip it and do it another 30 minutes, and then I flip it and then do it at 250. Then I flip it and do it at 250, and then it's done. And let it rest a bit, and then slap it in the fridge overnight. And then you cut off all the twine. Then you run it through the meat slicer, and there you go. You've got a bazillion slices of chashu that are nice. But when you're doing that 450 degree cycle, those 2 30-minute cycles, that, what do you call it? That sugar, it burns. So that's how you get that nice kind of rind on the outside. That's really cool. And when it does that, it smokes. And so the whole area gets all smoky and burny and funky. All right, so here is our macaroni. I don't know how well this worked out. There's a lot of liquid, but I'm doing what it told me to do. That, and we got our seafood flavor. You gotta admit, it's a lot faster than mac and cheese. It's not bad either. I mean, if you add the right stuff to it, it's pretty sensational, but you gotta do it up. Straight like this, it's rather boring. I mean, yeah. Hong Kong mac and cheese, yo. So here's what it looks like. We'll give it a try. It said simmer for 4 minutes. That's what I did. There's our broth. We'll try the broth. And yeah, it's not like a brothless thing. It has broth. Kind of a shrimpy thing going on. But that mac doesn't seem like it got all the way done. Yeah. It's not bad. Granted, I'm gonna garnish the heck out of it, and I think it'll be better that way. Do I want to use this? I want to use something nice for it. Something Hong Kongy. Oh yeah. That wouldn't work. We'll go with this. Yeesh. We're just gonna go for it and see what happens. Oh. Look at that. The oiliness is actually rather striking. Ow! God, freaking. Pardon my French. The oiliness is rather lovely. I like that. I wish there was a way to make it a little more. Can't really see the macaroni. I do have fishball for the seafood effect. There you go. That kind of fishball. Got some spring onion, I think that would, or scallion, or whatever you want to call it in your neck of the woods. Oh, I really like fishball. I've always liked fishball since I first tried it. And of course, crushed red pepper. What's a bummer with this is it's really hard to show off the mac unless I let it sit here for like an hour. Then it'll really suck up liquid. Which I just might let it sit. I don't know. What would you do if you wanted to show off macaroni in a soup? I think that's all you could do. Well, rotate, buddy. Just do your best. Do what you can. one you're gonna see is this. This is Maggi 2-minute noodles masala, and it used to say spicy masala on it, but no longer, at least on this one. This is one that's specifically for the US market, made in India, I'm sure, and yeah, it's really good. If you see this and you've never tried it, give it a try. It's a nice Indian flavor to it, and pretty accessible for most people, even the spicy one. So yeah, give it a try. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out and gets more people to be able to see things and learn about instant noodles. Hey, what could be better, huh? All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.